What's up, guys? Good evening. This is Captain E3E once again with another aircraft review coming to you from the airport lounge. Tonight, Turkish Airlines AIRBUS A330-200 in the scale 1/200 by Skymarks. Turkish Airlines is a member of Star Alliance. They have numerous destinations out their main hub in Istanbul, Ordoy, Paris, Charles de Gaulle, Frankfurt, Rome, Barcelona, Madrid, Lisbon, Miami, Atlanta, Los Angeles, and New York. Just some of the destinations that Turkish Airlines flies to. Now I'm going to give you a tour of the aircraft. Starting first with stack ports, PO tubes, and the cockpit windshield and windshield wipers. Star Alliance livery that you see right there. The L1 door. Turkish Airlines, 2 Rolls-Royce turbofan engines, and the registration of this aircraft. TC-JNA, or Tango Charlie Juliet November Alpha. Coming down towards the winglets of the A330. Nice view of the A330. There you see the registration of this aircraft. The Turkish Airlines livery on the tail. Now I'm going to bring it around to the APU. And then the tail planes. And I'm going to turn once again onto the port and starboard side of the aircraft. The Turkish Airlines livery, registration of this aircraft, a very beautiful tulip. Come on, the wings of the A330 staring up towards the cockpit. On the lean edges, and one of the Rolls-Royce turbofan engines, Turkish Airlines, the main galley, and the main cargo door just below first class. Well, that's it for this aircraft review. I would just like to say thank you very much for watching this video. And like always, like, comments, subscribe. Until next time, from the airport lounge, this is Captain E3E, signing off for now.